In this video, I will show you how to do these letter manipulations with a free AI tool. Let's get started. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type your prompt. You can get the prompt in description below. Then, click on Create button. It did great job. Click on Image to preview. If you want to download this image, simply click on Download here. Hope you liked this video. Kindly subscribe and don't miss any of the new tutorials.